Ever wondered how to turn your home into an indoor jungle? Imagine lush greenery, a variety of plants thriving in your living space. Houseplants not only beautify your surroundings, but improve air quality too. Growing houseplants can be simple and fun, and we're here to show you how. The first step is choosing the right plant for your environment. Consider factors like light, humidity, and temperature. Is your space bathed in sunlight, or does it lean towards the shady side? Is it often humid or more on the dry side? And what's the average temperature? Armed with this knowledge, you can pick a plant that fits. Some popular easy care options include the snake plant, pothos, and ZZ plant. Remember, the right plant will thrive in your specific home conditions. Once you've chosen your plant, it's all about proper care. The trifecta of plant care, watering, lighting, and feeding, can't be overlooked. Water is crucial, but remember, less is more. Overwatering is the quickest route to a wilted indoor jungle. As for light, most houseplants crave a good dose of indirect sunlight. Lastly, feeding your plant with the right nutrients ensures it grows strong and healthy. With the right care, your plant will grow and thrive, adding life to your indoor space. With time and patience, your indoor jungle will begin to take shape. Embrace the thrill of experimentation, trying out different plants and arrangements. There's nothing quite like the joy that comes from watching a seedling you've nurtured yourself flourish into a full-grown plant. Each new leaf unfurling is a testament to your dedication and care. And remember, every plant you add, every bloom you nurture, every vine you train, it all adds to the grandeur of your indoor jungle. Every plant you add brings you one step closer to your indoor jungle dream. Now it's time to start your indoor jungle journey. We appreciate you joining us today. Get ready to explore the leafy world within your own home, and don't hesitate to share your progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!